Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LS camshaft is probably one of the most crucial components for enhancing your LS engine's performance, and choosing the right one can significantly impact your vehicle's power, efficiency, and overall driving experience. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect LS camshaft based on your specific needs and preferences, covering key factors such as lobe separation angle, duration, lift, and the overall impact on your engine's performance characteristics. Number 5. KAISAL Sloppy Stage 2 Camshaft. It's compatible with GM Chevy LS engines from 1997 to 2007, including various V8 models. However, it's important to note that it is not compatible with active fuel management engines. This camshaft is a direct replacement, manufactured to OEM standards. It offers the same performance and durability as the original part, with no adjustments needed. It boasts a valve lift of 0.585 for both intake and exhaust, with an RPM range of 2200 to 5400. The lobe separation angle is 112 degrees, and the intake centerline is 108 degrees. The advertised intake duration is 283 degrees, and the exhaust duration is 286 degrees. At 0.050 lift, the intake duration is 228 degrees, and the exhaust is 230 degrees. Before ordering, please double-check compatibility with your vehicle model. Our team is here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. It boasts impressive compatibility with various GM Chevy LS engines. This makes it a convenient and cost-effective solution for many vehicle owners. If you need a reliable, direct-fit replacement without breaking the bank, this is the camshaft for you. What people say. Install on my Corvette C6 2006 with a LS2 engine and works amazing. The power increase very good and the sound is perfect. Update, only a few hundred miles into my engine build but this camshaft performs very well. My 402 with this cam seems to like the 2000 or more RPM with this cam and it flies in that range. Low-end torque is still very good and my tune isn't far off a factory tune still. Lift is dead on and consistent for each lobe, duration appears to match up when compared to my stock 6.0 cam. Camshaft is definitely not a reground stock cam like many other cams at this price point. I like the quality of this out of the box. It's really nice and easy to install. For a low-budget camshaft it gave me the chop and performance I was looking for. Number 4. BTR Truck Norris Camshaft Kit. Introducing the BTR Truck Norris Camshaft Kit, designed to give your GM truck a significant power boost. It's engineered for peak performance and a throaty exhaust note. This isn't your average camshaft. It's the result of extensive research and testing, delivering more power and torque across the entire RPM range than our previous generation. Feel the difference immediately. It offers a noticeable increase in power and torque, making your truck more responsive and exciting to drive. This kit is specifically designed for 1999 to 2013 GM Gen 3-4 LS truck engines, 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, 6.2. It's a perfect upgrade for your daily driver or weekend warrior. Everything you need is included: camshaft, beehive spring kit, chromoly pushrods, valve seals, and a gasket kit. It's a comprehensive upgrade for a seamless installation. It delivers an aggressive idle sound that you'll love, but it's also designed to work well with stock torque converters for a balanced driving experience. What we like. This kit significantly enhances power and torque across the RPM range. It comes with everything you need for installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a noticeable performance boost and a convenient all-in-one solution, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Good quality parts. Put this cam in my 09-2500 HD with a 6.0. 341 horsepower, 371-foot lb to the wheels with shorty headers, catback exhaust and a tune. Complete package. Everything you need to complete the swap except the tools and knowledge. Quality parts, definitely recommend this. Works with the stock torque converter but just barely. Number 3. E1840P Sloppy Stage 2 Camshaft. Upgrade your Chevy LS engine with this high-performance camshaft. It's designed for a significant power boost in the mid-range RPM. This camshaft is compatible with various GM Chevy LS V8 engines, including 5.3L, 5.7L, 6.0L, and 6.2L. It's a direct replacement for a seamless upgrade. With a significant valve lift of 0.585 and a wide RPM range, it delivers impressive power and torque. It's perfect for street and strip applications. The precise lobe separation and intake centerline ensure optimal performance and efficiency. It's engineered for peak power and smooth operation. It features a standard 3-bolt cam gear attachment for easy installation. Best of all, it's a direct replacement, so no additional tuning is needed. Manufactured to OEM standards, it provides the same performance and durability as the original part. Enjoy a simple, direct replacement upgrade. What we like. It's designed as a direct replacement, ensuring a seamless fit and simple installation process. The impressive valve lift promises enhanced performance. If you prioritize a straightforward upgrade with noticeable improvements, this camshaft is a great option. What people say. So what I'm understanding is Zachary is saying he didn't change nothing else. Only the cam. No bigger valve springs on nothing. Number 2. Texas Speed TSP Chopacabra Cam Kit. Get ready to unleash the beast. This cam kit delivers aggressive performance without sacrificing drivability. It's perfect for your LS truck engine. Hear that snarling sound? That's the Chopacabra cam in action. It's designed to make your truck a real head-turner. This cam is specifically engineered for 4.8, 5.3, 5.7, and 6.0 LS engines with cathedral port heads. It's a perfect upgrade for your truck. Experience a significant power boost. Dyno testing showed gains of 65 plus HP and 25 plus FTLBS of torque. It's a serious upgrade. No need for an aftermarket stall converter. It works seamlessly with your factory torque converter, making installation a breeze. Enjoy impressive power throughout a wide RPM range, 1200 to 6500. It offers great drivability with that signature aggressive chop. Everything you need is included: 0.560 lift beehive springs, valve seals, and OE replacement pushrods. It's a complete, ready-to-install kit. What we like. It delivers an aggressive, powerful sound and performance. It's designed to work with your factory torque converter, making installation easier. If you want that aggressive sound and performance without needing an aftermarket stall converter, this is the one for you. What people say. Has a nice chop, nice power. Awesome cam, sounds great in my 6.0 LQ4. Everything has gone well so far. Bought a 6.2, used this cam as part of a DoD delete kit I pieced together. Then pulled my 5.3 and swapped the choppy 6.2 in its place along with a HD 6.26L80 torque converter plus new filter. Now I have a 2012 4x4 Tahoe that puts 390 to the rear wheels. I pulled a 95 Mustang on a full-deck car trailer and had plenty of power to spare for passing. Number 1. LS Stage 3 Truck Camshaft Kit. Upgrade your truck's performance with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need for a smooth and powerful upgrade. This kit is designed to significantly boost your engine's power and torque. Feel the difference on the road. The kit contains a Stage 3 camshaft, high-performance valve springs, seals, and chromoly pushrods, everything for a complete installation. It boasts impressive specs: 218 224.553.553 110 LSA. Note that it's a 3-bolt cam, Gen 3 LS. It's compatible with various GM trucks, including Silverado, Sierra, Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, and Escalade with 4.8L, 5.3L, 6.0L, and 6.2L engines. While it works with the stock converter, for peak performance, we recommend installing a 2800 to 3000 converter. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, but professional installation is always recommended. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete upgrade. The high-lift camshaft promises a significant performance boost. If you want a complete kit with a high-lift cam for maximum performance gains, this is your best bet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.